Hello Falcon traders. How are you all doing? My dear friends, always remember this: you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think. Friends, I always tell all the traders to keep the analysis very simple and do not complicate your analysis with multiple indicators or moving averages. There is no holy grail system which is 100% profitable. Always remember, if your strategy is working with a success rate of above 65%, that is best strategy in the world. So watch this video till the end and see what all and how I will be trading next week and what will be my trading plan. Just now go and subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated and connected with me. Lots of new stuff is getting loaded soon. First, let's recap the last week action of Bank Nifty quickly. This is Bank Nifty chart on the 1-hour time frame. Bank Nifty on 10th October gave a gap down opening and took support of 38,600 levels. Thereafter the bulls took control of the session and we hit an intraday high of 39,500 levels also. Now, 39,500 was also a zone of strong resistance, the same we had told in our last video also. So we retraced the next day and hit an intraday low of 38,900 levels, and then again we recovered the move in the next candle. On the next trading session on 11th October we remained range bound and between 39,200 levels and 38,900 levels. Thereafter we broke this range and gave a closing below the critical area of support at 38,900 levels. Next day the bulls did a comeback and after opening low for the day we gained momentum and hit a high of 39,300 levels on the charts. On 13th October Bank Nifty opened with a gap down, and if you remember we had shared our 39,300 put trade to hit 500 plus levels. Yes, that same trade hit 800 plus levels on the same day. This is the power of our levels and we took a chance, and I hope everyone made good gains. The same day Bank Nifty hit an intraday low of 38,500 levels on the charts and then recovered before close of the session. On the next day again Bank Nifty gave a good gap up of 600 points after Fed gave a statement that the Federal Reserve should more slowly and steadily raise interest rates to allow time for its policy actions to seep through the economy and minimize market volatility. This was a positive trigger for the market, and thereafter we stayed range bound for whole of the day. On this weekend HDFC Bank has also declared its results, and the results had been very good. HDFC Bank Ltd on Saturday reported a 20% on-year growth in net profit for the September quarter to 10,606 crores. Net interest income grew by nearly 19%. So in my analysis I am expecting the market to factor this results also. So for 17th October, I expect Bank Nifty to open gap down with at 39,200 levels and thereafter taking support at 39,200 levels. I expect Bank Nifty to be bullish and hit an intraday high of 39,450 levels from the point of opening. Still, as per my analysis, 39,750 levels are very strong zone of resistance and from where Bank Nifty has got rejected multiple times. So, on the bullish side I will keep my target of 39,700 levels if 39,450 levels break on intraday basis. For my bullish trade setup, I will keep my stop loss below 39,000 levels. Now as far as the global scenarios are concerned and considering the negative sentiment, I will be prepared for a bearish trade setup also. For bearish trades, I will go heavily bearish if Bank Nifty breaks below 39,200 levels. My target of bearish trade setup will be 38,900, and if we break 38,900 levels on daily closing basis, then I will trade aggressively for a target of 38,500 levels on the charts in the next few days. The stop loss for my bearish trades will be above 39,400 levels initially, and then I will keep on trailing my stop loss as per the market move and conditions. The bearish trade setup is giving me a better risk-reward ratio. It's very heartening and motivating to read your comments and also to notice that some of you are making good trades by using our levels and thus making good profits. Arey friends, कर लो subscribe abhi and please like, comment on the videos and press the bell icon to stay updated and keep me motivated. Love you all.